Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss about walnuts. Did you know that walnuts are packed with nutrients and offer numerous health benefits? In this video, we'll explore what makes walnuts so healthy, their incredible nutritional value, how to incorporate them into your diet, and much more. So, let's dive right in. Benefits of walnuts. Let's start by looking at the incredible benefits of walnuts. These tree nuts are not only delicious but also offer a wide range of health advantages. Here are some of the key benefits you need to know about. Heart disease. Walnuts have been shown to promote heart health. Research suggests that incorporating about half a cup of raw, pieced walnuts into your daily diet can significantly reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, which is considered bad cholesterol. 2. Gut health. Did you know that walnuts can contribute to a healthy gut? Studies have found that regular walnut consumption can positively impact the gut microbiome, which consists of beneficial bacteria in our digestive system. This can lead to improved gut health. 3. Brain health. Walnuts are also great for your brain. Several clinical trials have demonstrated that a diet supplemented with walnuts can improve cognitive function and memory. Additionally, there is ongoing research on the potential role of walnuts in preventing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 4. Cancer prevention. Including walnuts in your diet may reduce the risk of certain cancers. Studies have linked regular walnut consumption with a lower risk of colorectal and endometrial cancers. Walnuts contain specific nutrients that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which may help in cancer prevention. 5. Diabetes prevention. For those concerned about diabetes, walnuts can be a valuable addition to your diet. Their low carbohydrate content, along with the presence of healthy fats, fiber, and protein, can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of developing diabetes. Varieties of walnuts and serving size. Now, let's talk about the different varieties of walnuts and the recommended serving size. 1. Varieties of walnuts. The most common walnuts produced in the United States are English or Persian walnuts. However, there are over 37 varieties of English walnuts available. Another variety to mention is black walnuts, which also offer unique flavors and benefits. 2. Serving size. The recommended serving size for walnuts is about 7 whole walnuts, which is equivalent to 12 to 14 halves or approximately 1 ounce. This serving provides you with essential nutrients and a satisfying snack. How to incorporate walnuts into your diet. Now that we know about the incredible benefits of walnuts, let's explore different ways to incorporate them into our daily diet. 1. Snack on raw walnuts. One of the simplest ways to enjoy walnuts is by snacking on them in their raw form. Just grab a handful of walnuts and enjoy them as a nutritious and satisfying snack. 2. Add to meals and salads. Walnuts can also be chopped and added to grain dishes, salads, or used as a protein topper. They add a delicious crunch and a nutritious boost to your meals. 3. Try ground walnuts. For a different twist, try grinding walnuts and using them as a protein topper. You can sprinkle ground walnuts on baked goods, oatmeal, yogurt, or even incorporate them into smoothies for an extra dose of nutrition. 4. Roasting and spicing. To maximize the flavor of walnuts, consider roasting or toasting them in the oven or stovetop. This enhances their taste, making them an excellent addition to salads, homemade granola, or even as a soup topper. You can also experiment with spiced walnuts by adding various seasonings like chili pepper, paprika, cumin, or salt. In conclusion, walnuts are truly a powerhouse of nutrients. From promoting heart health to enhancing brain function, walnuts offer a wide range of benefits. Remember to incorporate them into your diet by enjoying them as a snack, adding them to meals and salads, or trying ground or spiced variations. However, it's important to note that children under 4 years old should avoid walnuts due to the risk of choking, and individuals with nut allergies should refrain from consuming them. Stay healthy, and enjoy the goodness of walnuts. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and join our community for more health-related content. Thanks for watching, and stay hydrated and enjoy walnuts for a healthy heart. This important information was brought to you by Bill Vargas, who is an independent Medicare agent, which means he works for you, not the insurance companies. He is a veteran serving the Medicare needs of veterans and seniors. He is licensed in New York, Florida and North Carolina. If you or someone you know need Medicare, please contact him at insuredmeds@gmail.com.